Welcome to the Legal Assistance Family Law Overview course. In this course, you will learn what military legal assistance and Military OneSource may be able to do, where to find trusted information on divorce and adoption, and how to connect with the right resources for your situation. Consider two families. A dual military couple stationed overseas is filing for divorce and asks, which state or country do we file in, and how will deployment affect our custody agreement? A National Guard family beginning a private interstate adoption asks, who can help us navigate this paperwork on Title 32 orders, and what military-specific financial support is available? Both families need support that understands their service. Legal assistance is a free benefit for many in the military community. Active duty service members, National Guard and Reserve members on qualifying active orders, and their dependents are generally eligible. Some survivors and former spouses may qualify too. Always ask your local legal office. Legal assistance attorneys can explain divorce, legal separation, family support, adoption, custody, and paternity matters, and may be able to draft or review separation agreements, powers of attorney, and family care plans. In most cases, they cannot represent you in civilian court proceedings. Instead, they help you understand your options and refer you to civilian attorneys when needed. Using legal assistance early can help you identify issues with housing, pay, parenting time, and benefits before court deadlines or deployments add stress. To get started, connect with your installation legal assistance office and explore Military OneSource for legal information and referrals. These tools help you find nearby legal offices, learn about relevant benefits, and prepare questions for your legal team. Military OneSource adds another layer of support for legal issues related to divorce, custody, and adoption, available 24/7 by phone and online at no cost to you. The Legal Services Locator helps you find nearby legal assistance offices based on your location or service branch, useful before a move, after activation, or when a family situation changes. Military OneSource also offers articles, checklists, and consultations on divorce, child custody, child support, and adoption. You can call or chat with a consultant who explains legal topics in plain language and points you to next steps. Using both resources together gives you the most complete view of your options. Military OneSource organizes information into hubs: adoption and foster care and separation and divorce, each bundling articles, tools, and links that connect legal questions with housing, finances, parenting, and emotional health. To get to these two hubs from the homepage, select Browse by Topic, Financial and Legal, and lastly, Legal. On the legal page, there is a related topics section. Under this section, select adoption and foster care or separation and divorce. Bookmark the hub that fits your situation so you can return as your case evolves. Divorce affects more than a court order. It can change housing, finances, and parenting time, especially for military families. Before you sign a separation agreement or propose divorce order, talk with legal assistants about jurisdiction, military pension division, family support rules, and how future deployments may affect parenting time. Legal assistance helps you understand policies, while Military OneSource connects you to counseling and financial planning, so you do not have to manage legal and emotional strain alone. In this scenario, a service member reads a Military OneSource divorce article and then meets with legal assistants to review a proposed parenting plan. Together, they clarify state rules, military obligations, and options to reduce conflict for the children, a practical example of using both resources together. Adoption in a military family can involve multiple states or countries and unique timelines. The Adoption and Foster Care Hub describes domestic, international, and foster care adoption and what each path may involve for a military family, including how PCS moves or deployments may affect your plan. Legal assistants may be able to review adoption-related documents and explain how your duty status may interact with state requirements, while Military OneSource can point you to potential reimbursements or benefits that may help with adoption expenses. In this scenario, a National Guard family on Title 32 orders talks with legal assistants about an interstate adoption, then uses Military OneSource to confirm paperwork steps and learn about possible cost reimbursements. Writing down your questions and bringing them to both legal assistants and your adoption agency or civilian attorney supports a smoother process for your family and for the child you hope to welcome. Both families found a path forward. The dual military couple first met individually with legal assistants at different offices to discuss jurisdiction, military support policies, and the custody impacts of deployment. Then, each met individually with their own civilian attorney to ask targeted questions. The National Guard family used the Adoption and Foster Care Hub, called Military OneSource, for benefits guidance and had their adoption paperwork reviewed by legal assistants. Let's check your understanding of legal assistance. Legal assistance attorneys may be able to A. Review adoption-related documents. B. Draft separation agreements. C. Refer you to civilian attorneys. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Legal assistance attorneys may be able to review adoption-related documents, draft separation agreements, and refer you to civilian attorneys. In the course, you have learned who may be eligible for free legal assistance, what those offices may be able to do, and how Military OneSource hubs for separation and divorce and adoption and foster care connect legal questions with financial, emotional, and parenting support. Reach out early, especially before you file, sign agreements, or move. Early guidance can reduce stress, protect your rights, and support your family's long-term well-being. To take your next step, contact your installation legal assistance office and visit Military OneSource's legal and financial pages at militaryonesource.mil. You can also call Military OneSource at 800-342-9647 anytime, day or night. Links to all resources are in the Course Resource tab. This course provides general information, not legal advice. Always consult a qualified attorney about your specific situation. Thank you for completing Legal Assistance, Family Law Overview.